But on the political economy front again, there are signals that an oil price hike might come in. When will it come? It can't come before next Sunday, because that's when 16th of December, that's when Gujarat goes into the second phase of elections, and probably it won't come before the 23rd of December when Gujarat results will come out. But any time between that, you might have an oil price hike coming in. Here's the story.
Get ready to pay more for fuel. With crude prices not showing any signs of cooling off, the government is being forced to do a rethink on its decision of keeping diesel and petrol prices unchanged. A ministers' panel will meet this Friday to decide on the issue, and a possible price hike and duty cuts are options being considered.
As you know, the difference now is about $23 to $24 with reference to the last price hike. So definitely the GOM is expected to go into these issues in detail over the next week. Definitely we are hoping for a considered set of recommendations from the GOM.
What is the deadline for the GOM? When do you expect the report?
Well, the thing is, the first meeting is slated for the 14th of this month, so there is no deadline.
The under-recoveries of oil marketing companies this year are likely to touch 70,000 crore rupees. Crude prices touched a record high of $99 per barrel in November. In fact, crude has risen around $22 per barrel since the last fuel hike. As a result, oil companies are losing about 7,800 crore rupees every month. The share prices of oil marketing companies rose after the news of a possible price hike came in. With crude touching such record highs, oil marketing companies continue to bleed and their losses are mounting. Petrol is being sold at a loss of about 8 rupees 74 paise per litre, diesel at a loss of 9 rupees 92 paise per litre. With every litre of kerosene they sell, oil marketing companies lose about 21 rupees, and LPG is sold at a loss of 256 rupees per cylinder. The government is also pushing for more oil bonds to be issued to cover up for these losses.
Yes, in fact, the first tranche of bonds, 11,500 crores, has already been approved in the last session. So we are asking for bonds, more bonds.
How much more are you expecting?
Well, the thing is, 42.7% of the actual under-recoveries this year will be met through bonds. So depending on what the final figure is going to be, we will be getting the bonds. We don't see any problem. It should be about 29,000 crores.
Political compulsions have so far forced the government to put off a price hike. But with losses increasing, the consumer may now have to be prepared to share the burden. In New Delhi, Shweta Rajpal Kohli, NDTV.